Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet in case you're new here, and I'm a Pearson Test of English tutor. All I basically do here is show you how you can pass your Pearson Test of English exam without so much stress. Now if this sounds like you, then let's get started already. The reading module is the third module in the Pearson Test of English exam. It has 5 tasks, and these tasks include the reading and writing fill in the blanks, the multiple choice choose multiple answers, the reorder paragraph, the reading fill in the blank, and the multiple questions choose single answers. Now these 5 tasks will not give you 90 even if you do them very well. Now I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get 90 and how I was able to do some tasks from other modules like the listening and the speaking modules for me to be able to get this 90. Now, the reading module isn't that difficult. If you understand how points are awarded to you in your reading module, then you'll be able to get out 90. I don't know if I keep calling it band 90, but 90 or band 8 or band 9 for your Pearson Test of English exam. Now, follow me as I show you what you need to do and how you need to go about it to get 90. All right, now this is the score test B. This is my name, Juliet Chimuba. You can see that I did this test on the 27th of February, 7:42 p.m. You can see my overall score there is 42. Now, you can look at the score. For the listening, I had 10. For the reading, I had 90. For the speaking, I got 25. And for writing, I had 38. I'm going to just go ahead and list all the tasks I did that contributed to my score, especially the 90 score I had in reading. Now for the listening, I just couldn't identify the highlight correct summary, so I left it because I know it contributes few scores to your reading. So I went ahead and did only the highlight incorrect word. Yeah, that was the only task I did from listening, and you already know that that task contributes about 10% to your reading module. Yeah, then for the speaking, I did only the first task, which is the read aloud. And yeah, it contributes a lot of scores to the reading, which I'm going to show you. I have a video of that. I'm going to attach it to this place too to explain that to you. Then for the writing, I actually did the summarized written test, which is the first task in your PTE writing. Now this will surprise you to see that I got 90. This means in total I did all the reading tasks, then I did highlight incorrect words from listening, read aloud from speaking, and summarize written test from writing. So all the other modules contribute some marks to the reading module. Then with all the reading module, especially making sure I tried very well in the reading and writing fill in the blanks, the reading fill in the blanks, and the reorder paragraphs. Yeah, I made sure I did those tasks very well. So those were the things that helped to contribute to my PTE reading. So you can see that it's possible to get 90 in the PTE reading. What you basically need to know is know those tasks that contribute more points and focus more on them. Know them very well, practice them very well, then you'll be able to get a good score for your PTE reading. Now, I didn't do any magic. I just did it the way you would also do it so you can get a good score. All right. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is another score test I have done. Now, you can see my score for listening at 10, reading 31, speaking 30, writing at 10. That means that I didn't attempt any other of this module except the speaking module. And I did just one task in the speaking module, which is the read aloud. Now, the read aloud is a very important task in the PTE, especially for the speaking, because it's going to be contributing a lot of scores to speaking and reading. You can just peep that score there. It contributed 31 to my reading module. That is how important this task is. That means that if you do not do well in your read aloud, which is the first task in your PTE reading, you might not be able to get a high score in the PTE reading. So because I did well in the PTE speaking, actually in the first task, the read aloud, it contributed a lot of scores to my PTE reading. That was why I was able to score 90 in my PTE reading. So make sure that you do this task very well, and it's going to help you to boost your score. Now, are you looking for 50 or 65? Then make sure you do this task well. So even if you struggle a bit in all the reading tasks, with this task and some other good scores you get from your reading, they'll be able to ace the PTE reading. Getting 90 in PTE reading is possible. Just know these tasks I have mentioned and their contribution to your score, then you'll be able to get 90. That's it, guys. No much talk about it. You could see the demonstration there. You could see all the tasks contributing to the 90 score, right? So that is how you're going to do it. So sometimes when I meet students for the first time, especially not first time test takers, I mean students that have written this exam before and they say, oh Juliet, I'm having problem in my PTE reading. I tell them, okay, tell me, how have you been doing your PTE reading? Which of the tasks do you know contribute scores to help you pass your PTE reading? And some of them don't even know. So I go ahead to show them how each of these tasks, especially those major tasks, can contribute a lot of points for you to get 90 in your PTE reading. I hope this video was very helpful to you. Now, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, find me at English_prep_class and on Facebook at English Prep Class. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Remember to hit on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified when I post up new videos. See you guys. Bye-bye.